So here on the Nissan hardbody, the seal was leaking, so we just sandpaper and clean the flange now. It's brand new. Gonna put the brand new seal. There's a new seal. Old seal is completely broken, so that's the oil is stripping out here. It's leaking badly in front. So we move the props off. I'm gonna put the new seal in. And then put the flange back in and lock tight on the nut. And this nut you can't just shoot it fast with a gun. You must check your clearance, you see, otherwise you're gonna damage the diff. It's very important because it's got a collapsible spacer. Yeah, here's the old seal. I took it out. So now we're gonna put a brand new one, né Kevin? Okay, we gaan nou insit. Kyk hoe die olie gelekkie op die tank oral. So die olie gespat het. Ek dink die sy briewe ook het af is. So ek nou moet check also. Maar hy lekkie by die bearings. As hy droog, as hy droog op die wiel. Hy lek net hier by die pinion seal. Ek sien sy taffelok sy draaikies ook af hier. Die pypie is op, maar die draaikies af. Sien jy is die draaikies in.